Hey guys, it's Dipon from Best Software Deal, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today, we're diving into KickoffLabs, the platform that helps you launch viral giveaways, referral programs, or product launches. One of the awesome things about KickoffLabs is the flexibility. You can mix and match campaign templates to create unique programs. Choose product launch waitlist, milestone rewards, bonus entries, sweepstake campaigns, and more. And then use these campaigns to drive referrals to your newsletter, sign up new users, and generate buzz for events. Speaking of events, you can run pre-sale campaigns or add ticket holders to giveaways for bonuses like VIP access after referring friends. Let's start with the most popular campaign, the waitlist. Just pick the campaign type and let the AI builder help set it up. First, you'll add a product description. Then you'll choose how to run the campaign as a single page, multi-page, pop-up box, or site embed. If you already have a form through another service, you can connect the campaign to an existing form. If you're ready to grow your business with word-of-mouth marketing, don't let me stop you. Click that Buy Now button to grab this lifetime deal on KickoffLab. Alright, let's build our first waitlist campaign. Building a pre-launch waitlist campaign starts with choosing and previewing your template. Now, let's start building. You'll be able to set up scoring, emails, and milestone rewards, as well as customize nudges and pop-ups. You can edit the sign-up page with the page editor. Add new sections, drag and drop images, and add form fields. You can customize the actions that affect scoring, like form fills, referrals, social media follows, purchases, and more. And then top it all off with trackable lead tags. Now, let's preview the customer journey. When someone signs up, they'll see their position as well as the actions they can take to move up the waitlist. Reward campaigns are super similar, except they offer bonuses and rewards based on the number of referrals. For example, every 3 referrals can equal free shipping, every 5 referrals can equal 30% off, and every 10 referrals can equal a free t-shirt. With bonus entry sweepstakes, you can set a countdown to stop collecting entries, points, and referrals at a certain time. Just create the page, add the form, and set up the referral tiers. KickoffLabs keeps track of all your leads across campaigns. You choose winners based on points, where more entries equal more points, or make it totally random. You can also exclude verified leads to prevent any fraud. Want to limit the number of entries per IP address? Done. Add whitelisted IPs? Done. Avoid flagged accounts? Done and don't near. There are tons of fraud checks in place. Apps like excluding opt-outs, verifying emails with CAPTCHA, and blocking specific domains. KickoffLabs also filters for bounces, scripts, and bots to help you get the highest quality leads. The platform also offers detailed reporting, monitor conversion rates, and discover the most effective lead sources and emails. Oh, and you can connect your email provider to send messages. Plus, you can integrate with Facebook Conversions, Klaviyo, Zapier, and the custom API. So yeah, let's kick off your lead gen campaigns with this lifetime deal. Click Buy Now to start using KickoffLabs today.